Did you know that with artificial intelligence you can now create your own music videos? Today we are going to learn how to generate your own music videos with your face, your music, and also synchronizing the video according to the rhythm of your song. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for this video, we're gonna use this website called Freebeat. Actually, I have some videos where I show how to generate music videos using this website. You can click in this link to find out more. So we go here to freebeat.ai. Actually, they are specialized in video music generation. They also offer another services like video generation, image generation, audio generation, and so on. So at the moment, actually, they are doing this competition where you can earn prizes to up to $4,000 in this competition. So this is a website. As you can see here, we have all the details on how to enter the competition and also all the requirements to participate in this competition. So here are all the details on how to register, and the deadline is actually April 14th. So it's something to keep in mind if you want to compete. Okay, so for our video, we're gonna create this video to compete into this competition. So if we click here on the toolbox menu, we see all these options to generate videos, images, and even lip syncing and audio. So we choose one of these, for example, image to video. And here, as we can see, we can generate videos using the latest video generators such as Luma, Runway, VO3, and so on. So these are the most popular video generators at the moment. Okay, so for our video generation, we're gonna click here on Toolbox again, and as we can see, they have this option to do music video agents. So these agents assist us on how to create our video. So here we can add our own song. So I already had my this Surf the Dream song, and here you can upload your own song. Here at the bottom, they have the upload button to upload your own song. Because this is my account, which is free, so I can do a video clip up to 15 seconds. So if I put 60 seconds, you see that we have to pay if we want to generate a 60 seconds video. So we just leave it as 15 seconds, and we choose the first part of the song here, the beginning, and as I said before, we're gonna regenerate our video to compete in this competition. So we just gonna do it in three different parts. And actually here you can upload your own character. They have these templates of characters, but in this case we're gonna upload this is just a screenshot for a video I have. So I have this picture of myself, but you can also choose one of these templates. They have this Joker, Pikachu, Mario Bros. So if you want to generate your videos with these templates, and here we just click on confirm, and actually here as we can see, we can choose our own style. They have these styles, different styles to apply in the video, from anime, also this like a western, manga, and I like this rock haze, so we choose this rock haze. and also if you want to participate in the competition, one of the requirements is to leave the watermark. So we just leave it with the watermark. And if you want the video to lip sync with your face, with your lips, sorry, we click here in the singing MV to synchronize the lip syncing with your video. So we just click here. And then once everything is okay, we just click on confirm, and here is asking me if I want to confirm all the settings for the agent to help us to generate all these sequence. And here we see that starting the agent started to guide us. So here is gonna start asking us some questions. So here is asking me like what the kind of style that I want to choose, and then I just click here and confirm. So this agent is every step is gonna ask us for our approval. So here, for example, already generate the first images to generate our first sequence. So as we can see here, is very it keeps the character very consistent. So we just select the images and then we just click on approve and generate. And now what it's gonna do is start to do all these videos for each of these image. So the next step is creating the videos for each part of this sequence based on the images that we already approved here. Also, if at the moment they haven't take us any credits, so this part is free, they are not charging us, and they start to charging us once the video is approved and confirmed. Okay, and before we continue, if you are interested in getting a subscription on Freebeat, I have a discount at the description of this video, also in the first comment. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so here the agent is again asking me some questions or like giving us suggestions on the 4 segments. So these are the segments that already generate the videos. So we click here, let's play it. So in this way, we just approve this. In this case, we have these 4 clips for each part of the video. These clips actually they are without audio, so it's only the visual part of our sequence. So it created these 4 clips, and then just play this one, for example, and see if we are happy with the result. We just click on here to continue at the bottom. So if we are not happy with the result, we can regenerate each part of this sequence of these clips. So it's something that you can actually stop without charging or taking out our credits. So it's actually a nice touch from this platform, because sometimes we have the result and we are not approved with the final credit, with the final result. Here we have this option to see this canvas. Is like a comfy UI mode where we can see all the process of this video generation. And here we also can edit if we want, based on this each step of the process. So here it's as we can see, it's applying the lip syncing of the movement of the lips. So this is the step that is doing right now. based on the song, the rhythm of the song, and also the parts that it's someone singing. Okay, and here we have our result. Let's play it here and see how it is. Okay, so now with this first scene, we have covered the first 15 seconds of our video. The requirement of the competition is actually to make a 45 seconds video. And also another requirement is to use one of these on beat effects. So we click here on beat effects. We have these different styles of effects. As we can see here on the screen, we have this eyes in and different kind of like a wireframe and different, all these kind of different styles to apply and also show in the competition. So what we're gonna do is to create a clip. We're gonna take the same song just to keep the same style. And in this case, I just gonna upload the last frame of the video that we already regenerate, which is this one, and here we just upload the frame. So in that case, it's a smooth transition. We don't have this jump in the transition using this last frame. So here it starts to do the new sequence using the last frame of the video we already generate. Okay, and here we have the result using the smoke on beat effect. Let's play it. Okay. I think it's okay, but the only thing that I see is it's not disappearing. It's just applying the effect as a transition. Okay, and then I did already all the sequences and I put everything together and this is the result. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell to get notifications of my new videos. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video where I'll show you how to dub your videos using AI for free. Click here to watch more. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.